the moon was nothing compared to the Earth. The Earth was it. It was the centerpiece. It was all there was. We had an emotional, I suppose, rope attaching us to planet Earth. For whatever reason, it was what we wanted to look at. I mean, tiny little thing, you could make it go away by holding your thumb out at arm's length. But if you put your hand down, whoop, there it was again. It wanted to be looked at. The blue of our oceans, the white of the clouds, little streaks of kind of a reddish tan, things that we call continents. Very shiny, very bright, very beautiful, and yet strange, though it may seem, the overriding quality, well, beauty, I guess I would say, but lurking right behind beauty was a sense of it's fragile. It's a fragile little thing out there. The more you discover that fragile is not a bad word. It is fragile. It's fragile in thousands of different ways, most of which are not too good. Sometimes we humans don't seem like we really deserve to live on this nice little thing you see from 250,000 miles out.